In this video, I will show you how to make background transparent in Canva. So basically what you're gonna have to do is simply add your design here. So I'm gonna add some text just to show you how this works. So I'm gonna type in transparent background, and then what you're gonna have to do, so let me change the size of this, so let's increase it just like this. Now what you're gonna have to do is simply click on the share button in the top right corner, and then you're gonna have to click on download. Now here, as you can see, you can change the size. So if you want to increase the resolution of uh, this image, you can do that. You can even change the file type. Now I recommend you to use PNG because this one is the best one out there for this type of things. And then what you're gonna have to do is simply enable this option, which is called transparent background. Now as you can see, in order to use this, you're gonna need Canva Premium, but I'm gonna show you how you can download these files and get access to this without paying. So the first step is to simply go to this video description and sign up for a free account. You're gonna have a 30 days free trial, and you're gonna have access to all the premium features. Now if you don't want to do that, I'm gonna show you another way. So simply click on download after you select transparent background, and basically that should be it. So if we open it, as you can see, it's a transparent background. We have only the text. Now I'm gonna show you another method, so you don't have to use this premium feature. Click on share, then click on download again, and then don't select this. Click on download just like this, and then you're gonna have to simply wait. Now if we open this, as you can see, we don't have the transparent background. So what you're gonna have to do is simply go to this website, which is called remove.bg, and then simply upload that image. And basically this AI will do all the work for you, and it's completely free. Then simply click on download, and basically that's all you have to do. Now of course the resolution, the quality is not the best, but this happens because I've downloaded the image in a low resolution. But if I went here and I'd increase this, uh, I'd have a higher resolution. So basically that's all for today's video. I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.